Making sure the convertible top drains on your 986 are clear and draining water properly can literally save you thousands of dollars. I recommend inspecting and cleaning them at least once a year, more if the car is parked outside. I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the drains on the convertible top of your Porsche Boxster.
Put the convertible top into service position to gain access to both drains. The largest drain is built into the foam trays on each side of the top engine cover. These are basically catch-all for leaves and other stuff that can clog these and prevent water from draining properly. If there's enough junk built up here, you can use a vacuum to clear it out. To help clear the drain further down, you can use compressed air with a rubber tip blowgun if you have one. If you need any extra help to dislodge anything stuck further down, you can use like a long piece of plastic like a weed whacker line, or like we're using here, a large zip tie, and you can run this down the length of the hose that goes through the quarter panel and attaches to the foam tray. Now is a good time to inspect the foam trays for damage. Any tears or holes will stop water from going down the drain where it's supposed to and will enter into the car. Over time, you will have standing water in the floorboard of your car. Locate the second set of drains. These are in the channel of the sheet metal that the clamshell for the convertible top sits in on both left and right sides. The same methods used on larger drains will work on these as well. Some compressed air and a zip tie will help clear any debris built up in these. Sometimes it's the ends of the drain underneath the car that are actually clogged with all the junk. In front of each rear wheel, there is a plastic trim panel held on by two 8mm nuts. Removing this panel will expose the ends of each drain tube. You guessed it, more compressed air and zip tie action. Once these drains are clear, leave this panel off so we can test the drains and make sure that the water can drain properly. Verify proper drainage by pouring a small amount of water into the drain area and confirming that it exits unobstructed from the end of the drain tubes. There should be a smooth, steady stream. If you pour the water in and you see inconsistent water flow or the water's just dripping, then that means there's still debris and whatever else clogging the drain. And you should repeat the entire process until you're confident water is flowing as it should.
Routine maintenance of these drains will help avoid expensive repairs and nagging electrical problems. Not to mention, it'll stop expensive control units from swimming around under your carpet. If you want to learn more about working on your Porsche, come find us at pelicanparts.com.